Hey, hi, hello. Happy Friday, welcome back. Today, we're putting together bag 7 of the Typewriter. Yep, and I just knocked a piece off, man. It is always something with this typewriter. A piece falling off, I didn't put something on all the way, I put something on wrong, and I gotta take it all apart. I don't know what's going on with me in this particular Lego set, but we're having problems. Anyways, I blame my construction workers. See, maybe I should pay them more. Maybe that's what it is. I don't pay the construction workers enough. I don't know. Anyway, here is what we have so far. Here's kind of what that looks like. Boom. Boom. Keys. Yeah. Bag 7. It's 2 bags, 7. Looks like this. It's a little shiny with all the light, but you get the picture. It's 2 bags. Looks like there's all sorts of fun stuff for me to potentially screw up, so we'll see how that goes. Other than that, I'm gonna get started. So let's see what the build looks like. Okay, so follow me on TikTok. You saw how challenging this bag was for me. And if the build section of this video didn't make a whole lot of sense, it's because I had issues and I had to take a lot of stuff apart and figure out a bunch of stuff because the instructions were a little wonky on a couple things. But you know what? We got it figured out and we'll move forward. Oh, that damn space bar. If I knock these 2 little guys off the space bar 7 or 8 more times, I'm going to be super upset. I'll reinstall them later. What I want to show you is, because see, if you push too much on this, it pops those pieces off, and it is super frustrating. But what I want to show you, excuse me, is we have like, oh, you can't even hold it like this. We have a working mechanism. Right, so the keys get pressed, the thing starts moving, and once it gets to the end, you can do a little, like a typewriter. So that's cool. I gotta say that I was super excited for this project, and it has become quite the pain in the butt. Excuse my kids downstairs, they're playing and they're having a great time, so I'm not gonna silence them. I appreciate it. Unlike this typewriter, which I do not appreciate. It's gonna look cool, I like how it functions, but the spacebar is really making me upset, and the mechanics of this are very intricate. And if you screw up even the slightest thing, whew, it's a pain in the butt to fix. So, looking forward to this being done. Anyways, that's enough of that. Thanks for watching. If you wanna chat or you wanna send me something, cool, project that you're working on, I'd love to see it. Hit me up on my socials, there's links, as always. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Peace.